After you've been involved in a traffic accident, you may be unsure of what type of medical treatment you may need. David Greene from Greene & Phillips is here to help clarify the different types of treatment available to you. David, good to see you as always.
Good to see you.
All right, so the first decision someone has to make after an accident is should they accept an ambulance? What do they need to know about that?
Well, it's very important to make sure that if you believe you need an ambulance, go ahead and take the ride in the ambulance. Do not be worried about the cost. That can be handled way down the road. Very important to make sure that you make that decision. But if you choose not to take an ambulance, you need to make sure you get checked out by a doctor.
All right, well, let's talk more about that. If they choose to go to an urgent care, what should they tell their doctor?
Well, number one, make sure you tell the doctor you were involved in a crash. Here's what happened. Here's where the pain was. Please check me out. I want to make sure I'm okay. Very, very important to make sure you get checked out by a doctor as soon as possible after a wreck.
Why would someone go to a chiropractor or a physical therapist?
Well, they're very well trained physicians. They're both very, very good physical therapists. They are doctors now as far as the latest regulations, but you've got doctors of chiropractic as well. These doctors actually have a little bit of different treatment. While they both provide great care, you may want to talk to a lawyer about your specific case and what person or what type of doctor you may want to see.
Good advice there. All this treatment, though, it sounds expensive. Are there ways to keep the cost down?
Well, absolutely. If you get a local lawyer that handles this type of case, that has relationships with physical therapists or chiropractors and even urgent cares, you can get what's called a letter of protection if you don't have health insurance, and that's a really good deal.
All right, so if someone has been injured in an accident and they want to find out more information, David, perhaps they want to talk to y'all, how can they reach out to the folks at Greene & Phillips?
It's very simple. You can go to greenphillips.com, fill out the contact form, or call us at 251-300-2000.
All right. Thanks a lot, David. Appreciate it.
Thanks.